Radical Dude here, and today I'm going to teach you about the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Okay, you should all know what a polygon is, because you have to bring some things to the picnic. This is the picnic. You have to have some knowledge to bring to it. Okay, well anyway, just to review, a polygon is a closed figure made of line segments. And the least amount of line segments you can use is a triangle. Because if I use just two segments, then this is open. Okay? So the triangle is the first one. And the sum of the angles, if I call these A, B, and C, the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Okay? And it's very simple why that is. All I have to do is draw a line parallel to the base. And then angle B up here is the same by alternate interior angles. And angle A is also the same by alternate interior angles. And therefore, the A and the B and the C together make 180 degrees. Okay? That's why. And it starts with the triangle. Okay? You got 180 degrees. So let's try some other shapes here. All you have to do, four sides is called it's called a quadrilateral. Some of you that are going to be having babies in the near future, you might want to think of naming your kid quadrilateral. It's a nice name. Five sides is a pentagon. We'll do six sides is a hexagon. So let's draw these. If I draw a quadrilateral, just four sides, any four sides, as long as they connect, made a straight line. Pentagon, five sides, and a hexagon is six sides. There you go. Now, all you have to do is take one vertex. One vertex. These are the vertices. One of them is called a vertex. Just put a dot on one of them. And from this dot, you want to connect to make as many triangles as you can, connecting to other vertices. So this one, I can only connect it to that. Here, I can connect it to here, and I can connect it to here. And for this one, I can connect it to here, and to here. So, for the sum of the angles, if this triangle is 180 and this triangle is 180, you have 2 times 180, which is 360. So the entire sum of the angles of this polygon, this, and this, is 360 degrees. Over here, I have 180, 180, and 180. I have 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. And now for the hexagon, I have 180, 180, 180, 180. I have 4 times 180, which I believe is 720. And that's the sum of all the interior angles in a hexagon. And it continues. So, let's see if we can come up with a formula for this. Because if I give you a 20-sided figure, you're not going to draw 20 sides and then make it into little triangles and then add up all the 180s, count how many. So this has 4 sides, a quadrilateral, but I multiply by 2. This has 5 sides, but I multiply by 3. This has 6 sides, but I multiply by 4. So each one of these that we're multiplying by is 2 less than the number of sides. and then they're all times 180. So your formula is, you're taking 180 and you're multiplying by 2 less the number of sides. So that's n, we'll call n the number of sides of the polygon, take away 2. And that, my friends, is the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Any polygon, that's the formula you use. So thank you very much. This has been Radical Dude, and I hope that you learned something.